exercise 5.2, the question is find the square of following numbers. For this type of question, what you need to do is, see there is 6 by 13 and you are told to make it square. So, 6 by 13 square means 2. The exponent will be 2. So, 6 by 13 into 6 by 13. Now 6 6 are 36 and 13 13s are 169. So the square of 6 by 13 is 36 by 169. Now we will do number 2. That is square root in prime factorization method. If this is given, you have to do it like this way. 5 6 2 5. Square root means the two same number you have to find in which we multiply and we will get 5 6 2 5. Let's divide it 5 because they are called prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, you can only divide with a prime number. The last digit is 5, so we can also divide it with 5. Now we will do it once more. You can lift it if it is a prime number. But 9 is not a prime number, 3 is a prime number. So we had left it right now. Now, the square root sign is this kind of sign. And now you can write all the 5 you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. And then you got 2, 3. So, 3 into 3. Now, to remove this square root, we will take one number for each pair. That means 5 into 5 is one pair, we will take 1 5. This 5 into 5 is another pair, so we will take another 5. And 3 into 3 is a pair, so we will take 3. Now 5 5 is 25 and 25 3 is 75. So the square root of 5625 is 75. Now the next question is division method. Square root in division method, you have to do it in division like way. That is, you can write 9801 here and then you have to divide it in two parts taking from right. That means first you have to go through taking only two numbers at a time. So this is a pair and this is another pair. Now we got only 98 as a pair. Now you have to remind which number is the square of 98 is similar to which number. Now 9 9s are 81 and 10 10s are 100. 100 is greater than 98, so you have to take 9. 9 9s are 81, so we will put here 9. Now we got 81. You have to subtract it, you will get 7 and 1. Now this 0 and 1 we will write down and then remind this 9 will be doubled. That means 9 into 2, 18. Now with this 18 you have to put a number by which you will multiply and you will get 1701. The way to do is you have to do, if you put 1 8 and then if you put 1, then you have to multiply it with 1 and you will get 181. This is not 1701, so we have to go on. 182 into 2. In this way we can find that 2 is very much lower, so we have to take a greater number. Let's take 8. 188 into 8. That means 64. 6 18 8s are 144 plus 6 1506. So it's quite close. Let's take 189 into 9. 9 9s are 81. We got 8 and 9 18s are 162. 162 plus 8 is 1701. So you can see we got 1701. So we will put here 9 and here 9. So 1701 is our. So as a question quotient of this we got 99. So square root of 9801 will become 99. In this way also you can do the square root. This is called division method.